Hi guys, it's Avas from 10 Startups. Today I'm gonna show you how to record screen on Zoom. So guys, to record screen on Zoom, you have to simply download a software named DU Recorder. So let's get started. So guys, to download that software, you have to simply open your Chrome browser. Now type in search bar DU Recorder and press enter. Scroll down and here you can see this link DU Recorder. So click on it. And now here you can see some options. Download iOS, download Android, download Windows, download Mac. So here I am going to click on download Windows. So as you can see our setup starts downloading. Guys, as you can see our setup has been downloaded. So simply close the Chrome browser. Now open the File Explorer. Now simply double click on the setup. Browse the location. I am going to select D and click on OK. Now click on Next. Click on Install. Click on Finish. Here you can see our software has been installed. So simply minimize this. Now open Zoom. Now click on New Meeting. So after that, simply open DU Recorder and click on Start Recording. Now minimize this. Now stop recording. So guys, to view the recording that we have recorded, here you can see the option of recorded videos. So click on it. So guys, this is the video that we have recorded. So simply open the video. So guys, here you can see the video that we have recorded. So guys, here you can see we have recorded the screen on Zoom. So you can also record the screen on Zoom by following this process that I have shown you step by step. I hope this information was helpful for you. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.